Hi everyone, my name is Lourdes Orestano and I'm the Consulate of Community Affairs from the Consulate of Mexico in Las Vegas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Mexican dessert that's called a flan. And it's really easy to make and it's really yummy and you can do it at home with your families. So first I'm going to show you the ingredients. We have a little bit of vanilla. This is sweetened condensed milk. And this is evaporated milk. And we need eggs. So I'm going to start. So open this carefully and just throw it in there. Open this one. As I mentioned, this recipe is really easy to make. So you can just make it with your kids. I do it with my 3-year-old all the time. I can only help her with opening up the cans and handling the oven. Now, we aren't going to use all eggs. We only need 4. And last, some of the vanilla extract. You need to use 2 teaspoons. I have a bigger spoon, so I'm just going to use 1. But if you have a teaspoon, you need 2. Alright, so I'm going to do this big spoon. And then throw it in there. And that's it. You need to start mixing away. Now, before I do that, I'm going to turn on my little oven on here to 350. And you need to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed in really well. So normally for this, I would recommend using a 9-inch pan. And this is the most important part. So in order for it not to burn in the oven, you need to put your 9-inch pan, this one is a bit smaller, inside another pan. So a bigger pan that has water in it. This is just plain water, cold water. You're just going to put your pan inside here to make sure that the whole mixture doesn't burn while it's in the oven. Okay, so to put it in the oven, you make sure you have your oven mitts on. And you ask help from your parents, because you can't do this on your own. Well, maybe you can, but my 3-year-old can't. So really carefully, carry this tray into the oven. Put it in there, nice and tight. There you go. Now we just have to wait for 1 hour, more or less, for it to be cooked completely, and then we'll take it out. So now our flan is ready. We have to take it out of the oven carefully. The water here will be really hot now, so you have to be careful. And then take this out. So I'll try to show you. It won't look as hard because now we need to put it on the fridge for a couple hours. But it'll be kind of wiggly, moving around. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. Then we'll cover it up with aluminum foil. This is the most important step, and it has to be aluminum foil. Otherwise, it won't dry as well. All covered. And when it's like this, we can take it right up to our fridge and put it there for a couple hours. When we take it out, the only thing we just want to do is put a plate on top of it, turn it around, and then push it down. And then that's it. Your flan is ready to eat.